Hi everyone, this is the look that I put together so that I can go get me a new license. I found out when I went to go open up a savings account today that my license was expired last month on my birthday. And because I don't use my license like that, I did not know that it had expired last month. So anyway, I came back home and got dressed and did my face so that I can look cute on the picture. And this is what I came up with, just a basic look so that I can go to the DMV. All right, so the first thing that I did was I took my eye mask just to depuff those little bags up under my eyes there so that my makeup would look good under my eyes and try to hide some of those lines and the bags. And then after I do that, I take it off and then I rub in all the serum that's left from those eye masks and rub it into my skin as a moisturizer under my eyes. And then I go in with my normal eye cream, which is the Pur-lisse 4-in-1 serum. And I went in with my e.l.f. wand to soak that in under my eyes. That is like a really moisturizing tool right there. And next I went in with another moisturizer, which is my all over face moisturizer, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel. And on top of that, I put yet another moisturizer because your under eyes and your face really has to be moisturized, especially in this winter, in the winter. Next, I went ahead with another eye product, which is the Kona Eye Stick, and that also helps to smooth down those lines in your eyes and under eyes and the bags. And just let that soak in. And nextly, I went in with scrubbing my lips, exfoliating my lips, sorry. And I used some Morphe disposable wand to go ahead and take that out of the little jar because I don't like that little sugary stuff under my nails. And go ahead and scrub and exfoliate. Next, I put on my favorite Kopari Coconut Lip Oil and rub that all in. Nextly, I go on with Strobe Cream to give my face a little glow. And I put on some Skindinavia setting spray just to moisturize my face after I've did so much already. Today's foundation is the Fashion Fair Stick, which I really, really love. It's very moisturizing, very creamy. And for the first time, I'm using a beauty blender to blend that out. I usually use my Sigma 3D Kabuki brush, but I am using a blending beauty. And I do like the way that it turned out, as you saw in the beginning. Nextly, I always say nextly. I don't even think nextly is a actual word. I don't know. Nextly. And yeah, I don't know. I don't think nextly is a word. I'm gonna have to look that up and see. I don't know, but that just, it sounds weird when I say it. I don't know. Nextly. Anyway, so I continue to blend that all out with the beauty blender, and I actually, I'm liking the way it looks. I might try that with a couple of other foundations. And by the way, coming up in February, I'm going to show my new foundation routine because I got a whole new foundation routine that I'm working on. Just trying it out for my mature skin, my dry skin, to see if it can work out better. All right, and then nextly I use my Shape Tape and my Born This Way concealers under my eyes. I use two different ones, one in the dark circle part and then the other on the actual bag area part, because the two concealers do two different things. But as I'm working on this combination, I may have to try more concealers because it didn't come out exactly the way I wanted to. It does still look good, but it didn't come out the way that I saw it in my head. So, I'm going to keep working with it to try to find the two perfect concealers that work good together for me and my dry skin and aging under eyes there. So next I go in with the Kat Von D brightening powder to try to give myself a little bit of brightness under my eyes. And I use the beauty blender to soak that in as well. I don't bake, I just pat it in. I'm actually not going to be baking for a while because I'm working on something new. Like I said, I'm trying out new foundations, new powders, new concealers, new skincare. I'm just trying out new stuff, and once I get it perfected, then I will let you guys know. I'm just trying different techniques to get it right because my skin has changed so much as I am over the 45-year mark. So it's a little different, and so I'm just trying out new ways to try to keep your girl looking young, you know? So now I go in with my Lorac Duo Mascara, and I am just, putting on the mascara. I'm not using a primer this time because I'm going to put on some lashes. Yeah, and just wait for that to build up to the thickness that you want to, it before you put on your lashes. Not your thickness, but the length that you want before you put on your false lashes. And I have done that off camera. Now I am working on my eyebrows, which I am using what am I using? The Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil, which everyone knows that I love. I really love that pencil. And also I have been working on a whole new eyebrow routine as well. I've been doing them different for the past 2 weeks. See, there's a lot of things that I've been working on for the past 2 weeks, and I'm just trying to perfect some things. So it may take me another month or so before I perfect and get things the way I want it to, because I have to try out a bunch of different products to try to get it to the way that I want. I mean, I could show you some of the things that I am doing, but I actually want to have it completed before I show you all what I am doing to try to change up my skincare and foundation routine and all that type stuff. I want it to be right before I show you. I don't want to, be experimenting on camera. I want it to be correct and perfect. Next, I am contouring my face, and I am using the Makeup Geek contour, and just doing that in the 3 pattern. I don't know what. Oh, I was into my Google Mini and something did a little something, and I was wondering what that was. So anyway. And now I am putting on my blush, which is my favorite, the Tarte Natural Beauty Blush. And by the way, all the products, if you don't get a good look at everything and don't hear me in the video, all the products will be listed in the description box below. Now I'm going in with my Ofra highlight, the Everglow by Nikki Tutorials, and I am about to hit that bam bam on y'all, because that shit be glowing. So, and yeah, that is my Sedona lace brush that I've had for a long time. I've also changed up my brushes for my different techniques as well. But again, before I show you all what all my new stuff is and what I'm working on, I want to make sure it's perfected. So I don't know if it's going to take a month or 2 months, but I'm getting it perfected. And when I do get it perfected, believe you me, you all will be the first to know what I did. And y'all, oh my goodness, look at the glow, man. Woo! And like I said before, I really shouldn't be trying to wear so much glow because my skin has so much texture because of those moles, but I don't give a shit. That glow be banging. And here I am using the Missy Lynn lipstick, which I love so much. And you already saw the finished look in the beginning of the video, and there you have it. I am on my way to the DMV to get me a new license. Thank you all so much for watching. I really, really appreciate y'all. Have a good day. Bye.